Namaste, I am JAIPUR Dr. Priyanka BAIRWA from Faculty of Physiotherapy and Diagnostics. In this video, my subject is community health. Today, I am teaching you a topic which is the epidemiological approach. So, let's start. Epidemiological approach. The epidemiological approach to the problems of the health and disease is based on two major foundations. First is asking questions, and second is making comparisons. So first is asking questions. The epidemiology has been defined as a meaning of learning and asking questions and getting answers that lead to few further questions. For example, the following questions could be asked. First, related to the health event. Related to health events. First question, what is the event or what is the problem? Second, what is the magnitude? Third, where it is happened. Then, when did it happen? Who are the affected? Why did it happen? Next is related to health actions. So, first question is what can be done to reduce these problems and its consequence? Second question is how can it prevented in the future? Third question, what action should be taken by the community, by the health services, by the other sectors, where for whom these activities is carried out. Fourth question is what resources are required, how are treatment to be organized, and fifth is what difficulties may arise and how might they be overcome. Answer, answer to the above questions may provide clues to disease etiology, and helping the epidemiologist to guide planning and evaluation. Next, making comparison. The basic approach in epidemiology is to make comparison, is to making comparison and draw inference. These may be comparison of the two or more groups. One group having the disease or exposed to the risk factor, and the other groups not having the disease or not exposed to the risk factors, or comparison between individuals. By making comparison, the epidemiologists find out the crucial differences in the host and environmental factors between those affected and non-affected. In short, the epidemiologists weigh, balance, and the con contrasts. Con- Clues to etiology come from such comparison. Next topic is measurement of epidemiology. The scope of measurement of epidemiology is a broad and ultimate, unlimited, and includes the following. First is measurement of mortality, second is measurement of morbidity, next measurement of disability, next measurement of natality, and next is measurement of the presence, absence, or distribution of characteristics and contributes of the disease. Next is measurement of medical medical needs and health facilities, utilization of the health services and the health other health related events. Next is measurement of presence, absence, distribution of environmental and other factors suspected of the causing the disease. And next is measurement of demographic variables. Next, tools of measurement. The epidemiologists usually express the disease mainly in as a rate, ratio, or proportions. A clear understanding of the term is required for the proper interpretation of the epidemiological data. The basic tool of measurement in the epidemiology are the rates, ratio, and proportions. So, first, rate. A rate measures the occurrence of some a rate measures the occurrence of some particular events, development of the disease or occurrence of the death in a population during a given time period. It is a statement of the risk of the developing a condition. It indicates the changes in some events that takes place in a population over a period of the time. An example of the typical rate is a death rate. It is returned as a death rate is equal to number of the deaths in 1 year upon mid-year population into 1,000. Next, the various categories of the rates are: first is crude rate, second is specific rate, third is standardized rate. First, crude rate. These are the actual observed rates, such as the birth and the death rates. Crude rates are the crude rate are also known as unstandardized rate. Second is specific rate. These are the actual observed rate due to a specific cause, for example, tuberculosis, or occurring in a specific groups, for example, age, sex groups, or during specific time period, for example, annual, monthly, and weekly rates. Second is standardized rates. So these are the obtained by direct or indirect method of standardization or adjustment. For example, age and sex standardization rate. Second is ratio. Another measure of the disease frequency is the ratio. It is express a relation in size between two random quantities. The numerator is not a component of the denominator. The numerator and denominator may involve an interval of time or may be instantaneous in time. Broadly, the ratio is the result of dividing one quantity by the another. It is expressed in the form of x is to y. For example, examples include sex ratio, doctor population ratio, child woman ratio, etc. Third point is proportion. A proportion is a ratio which indicates the relation in the magnitude of a part of the whole. The, the numerators is always included in the denominators. A proportion is usually expressed as a percentage. For example, the number of children with the scabies of the certain time upon the total number of the children in the village at the same time into 100. Thank you. My topic is finished. If you have any questions or queries related to this topic, please comment in the comment box. Thank you.